Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. And I finished my 426, my first diamond painting. I'm so behind with everything. It's not normal, but okay. I need to fix my logbook. That's something for later. And somebody asked me how I label my stones that I keep, because from Diamond Art Club, the stones I always keep them. And I just label my stuff with this guy. And I'm in my office and it's very cold here, and I have bad light, so I hope everything works. I will show how I label that. Does that work? Yes. Yeah, it's very easy, It just black and white sticker, and I always do them with the P-Touch. So